Hey there! Welcome to today's English lesson. You're listening to Talkie Talkie. Easy English and real talk. Let's chat about real life. Hey there! Welcome back to Talkie Talkie. Today I want to talk about something a little scary, a little exciting, and very real. A day without my phone. Yes, no phone, no messages, no scrolling. Just me and the world. Let me tell you what happened. My phone is always with me. When I wake up, I check it. When I eat, it's near me. Before I sleep, I scroll. It's like a part of my hand, but sometimes I feel tired. Tired of the screen, tired of the noise, tired of the feeling that I always need to check something. So one day, I said, "Today, no phone." At first, it felt strange, very strange. I reached for it, but it wasn't there. I wanted to check the time, check messages, check the weather, check everything. I felt nervous, like I was missing something important. But then I thought, what if I just breathe instead? And I did. Later, I went for a walk. Usually, I wear headphones, music, podcasts, always some noise. But this time, nothing. Just my steps, the wind, the birds, the street sounds. It felt quiet. At first, it was too quiet. But then, it became peaceful, like my mind could finally think, not listen, not scroll. Just be. Lunchtime. Usually, I eat with one hand and scroll with the other. But now, just food. No phone, no pictures, no notifications. I tasted the food more. I chewed slowly. I noticed small flavors. It was a simple meal, but it felt special. Later, I had to wait for a friend. Usually, I'd check Instagram or read the news. But now I just sat. I looked around. I saw people. Some looked happy. Some looked tired. Some were also staring at their phones. And I felt something strange. I felt free. Free from the little box in my pocket. When I met my friend, I didn't check my phone once. I looked at her face. I listened. Really listened. No buzz, no ding, just words. Real connection. And she smiled. She said, "You're really here today." That made me smile too. At the end of the day, I felt light, calm, clear. I had more time, more focus, more silence. And guess what? I didn't miss anything. No emergency, no big news, just space. For me, my mind, my eyes, my life. What about you? Could you go one day without your phone? What do you think would be the hardest part? Checking messages? No music? No photos? And what might be the best part? Maybe quiet? Maybe freedom? Try it one day, just once. You may be surprised. So, that was my day without my phone. It was hard, but also beautiful. I'm not saying phones are bad. They help us connect, learn, explore. But sometimes, we need to disconnect to reconnect. Thank you for being here with me today on Talkie Talkie. Until next time, stay curious, stay present, and keep talking. Let's review the words. Scary means something that makes you afraid. It is not fun. It can make your heart beat fast. Watching a horror movie is scary. Exciting means something fun or new. It makes you happy and full of energy. You can't wait for it. Going on vacation is exciting. Scrolling means moving up or down on a screen. We do it on phones or computers. You scroll to read or see more. I scroll through pictures on Instagram. Check means to look and see something. You check your phone or your bag. You want to know if something's there. I check my phone every morning. Near means close to something. It is not far. You can see or touch it. My phone is near my bed. A screen is the part of a phone or computer you look at. It shows pictures, words, or videos. I spend many hours looking at my phone screen. Strange means different or not normal. It feels new or a little weird. It felt strange to eat without my phone. To reach means to move your hand to get something. You reach for your phone, a cup, or a book. I reached for my phone, but it was not there. Weather means if it's hot, cold, sunny, or rainy outside. We check the weather before going out. I checked the weather before my walk. Nervous means a little scared or worried. Your heart feels fast, and your hands may shake. I felt nervous without my phone. Instead means you choose one thing, not the other. You do something different. I didn't check my phone. I breathed instead. Wind is moving air outside. You can feel it on your face or hear it in the trees. The wind was soft during my walk. Lunch is the meal you eat in the middle of the day. It comes after breakfast and before dinner. I ate my lunch without looking at my phone. A notification is a message on your phone. It tells you about a call, message, or news. I had 5 new notifications. To chew means to use your teeth to break food. You chew before you swallow. I chewed slowly and enjoyed the taste. Flavor means the taste of food. Sweet, salty, spicy. These are all flavors. The soup has a great flavor. An emergency is something serious and sudden. You need help fast. I didn't miss any emergency while my phone was off. To explore means to look around and learn something new. You can explore a city, a book, or an idea. I want to explore the world without my phone. Thanks for listening to Talkie Talkie. I hope you enjoyed our little chat. If you liked it, come back for more real-life English. Spoken slow, spoken real. Like the episode, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new talk. See you next time.